Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into an old version using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get inside guys. First of all, you need to visit Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account. And you can go to the home menu and select the image feature. And then you're going to add the prompt and upload your photo. I'm going to use random photo from my device. Okay, for example, this photo. I'm going to transform this photo into an elderly version. Okay, once you put the prompt and also the photo, you can just send to AI and hold on, and there will be some results for you guys. You can choose the best one that you like. Okay, done guys, and these are the results, and you can choose the photo that you like. For me, I'm gonna go with this one, and if you want to download it, you can click on download, and I'm going to download without the watermark. Alright, okay guys, and that's how you can turn yourself into an old version using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you guys, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click the join link on my YouTube description, and you can try to make your version with this AI. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!